Hi guys, what's up? It's Shala from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Haitian vegan style, and it has a modern day twist. Haitian recipe known as Akasan, also known as AK 100. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. As I said at the beginning, this is my way of making Akasan, and it's also a vegan way with a modern day twist. So you're going to notice that it's going to be different. If you are Haitian and watching this video, you're going to notice it's going to be different from the way that you guys traditionally make it. So the first thing you're going to need is some corn flour, also known as fine cornmeal. There's always a mix up with people wanting to know, is corn flour the same as cornmeal? If you are in the UK, you're going to need fine cornmeal, extra fine cornmeal. If you're in the US, it's also known as corn flour. So I just wanted to clear that up because different places in the world called it something different. You're also going to need some almond milk. This is going to be used in place of evaporated milk. In terms of sweetener, I'm using coconut sugar, which gives the Akasan a darker appearance, and it also is not as sweet, but it's a healthier type of sweetener. I have star anise, cinnamon sticks, nutmeg, some water, pink salt, and some vanilla. So the first thing that you need to do is to combine your corn flour or fine cornmeal with some water in a small jug, and then you just want to add that and mix it together, and then you're going to make a almost like a loose type of paste, and you just want to put it aside. So the next thing we need to do is to bring some water to the boil in a saucepan, and then once we do that, we're going to add our star anise and cinnamon sticks. So we're just going to boil the water until the water becomes a tinted color. So it's going to be a reddish brown color, and it's going to take several minutes to get to that point. So just have a bit of patience until we get to that color change, and then we can move on to the next steps. So this is what the water looks like after several minutes of boiling. As you can see, there's a slight tint to it, and that's what we're looking for before we move on to the next step. So now we're just going to pour our cornmeal corn flour mixture into the saucepan, and then we're just going to keep mixing now until it starts to thicken up. So now that it's thickened up, we're just going to add almond milk and stir that in, and that's just going to really help to loosen up our Akasan. So now I'm going to add my vanilla, grate in some nutmeg, and then I'm going to add my pink salt. So now I'm going to finish off sweetening my Akasan with some coconut sugar. You're going to notice, if you're using coconut sugar, that the color of your Akasan is going to be slightly darker, which is normal because coconut sugar tends to darken things. If you're using raw cane sugar, you won't have this problem. So just to give you the heads up that the color of the Akasan may change if you're using coconut sugar. I don't like to use a lot of sweetener in mine, so I'm not using a lot. So if you use more, I guess the color will be a lot darker, but as you can see, the color of my Akasan has changed now. So that's pretty much how you make your akasan. Don't forget to remove the star anise and the cinnamon sticks before serving. Some people like theirs hot, some people will serve theirs cold. It's pretty much a cornmeal, corn flour type of drink that people like to have for breakfast because it's very filling and it's very similar to cornmeal porridge, but it's not the same. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe and make that recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you on the other side.